Assam and Meghalaya began their second phase of border talks. The Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya will jointly visit West Jaintia Hills and Karbi Anglong areas in June as part of confidence-building measures where there has been a lot of unrest and conflict in recent times between the Karbi and Jaintia communities. Talking to reporters after the first official Chief Minister level meeting between the two states at Guwahati, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said, from today the regional committees of both the states will start meeting, visiting the other states' sites or areas where difference still exists. He was hopeful to resolve the issues and differences through the process of discussion and mutual trust and confidence. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said this is the beginning of the process to find a solution for the remaining 6 areas of differences.
From today, the regional committees of both the states will start meeting, start visiting the other 6 sites or other 6 areas where difference still exists.
This is the beginning of the process to find a solution to the 6 areas of differences which are left between Assam and the state of Meghalaya. As mentioned in the meeting today, we went through all the details and all the different reports and different discussions took place.